Hi peeps, I'm back with another video. This one is like super duper easy. There's no spackle involved. There's not really much involved, but I mean, it's so easy. And I know you've seen these all over. You've seen them on Etsy probably. You've seen them everywhere. People's using their Cricuts to you know, to make them with the labels and stuff, but we don't need all of that. We gonna use Dollar Tree products to make you one of these. It's a Santa can. See that Santa can? And I wrote on here, property of the North Pole, do not touch. And you can make one if your kids ain't listening and they're getting on your nerves right about now, the holiday season. You want a little minute to yourself. You be like, right here, Santa watching you. So you better not act up and just chill out because you ain't getting no presents or whatever. I don't know. My daughter's grown, so we don't have to do all of that. But this is a great, cute, easy craft. So I'm going to turn it off because I don't want that red light flashing on you. It doesn't have an on and off switch, so you just got to like flip a battery over or something and to have it make it go off. So we're going to put that right there. So this is what you're going to need. At the Dollar Tree, they have these fake security cameras. And this is how it comes. Well, I took it out of the, it even comes with these screws and stuff if you wanted to like put it up on the wall or something. Like so the kids won't touch it or anything. That's up to you. So anyways, this is what it is. A fake security camera. So what you're going to get, you want to get from Dollar Tree. I just found these. So I don't know if you're going to find them like right away, but honey, Dollar Tree is not playing. They got in Craft Smart, in the Crafter Square, they got paint pens. I got silver and gold, a blue one, a black one, a white one, a pink one, and a purple one. I picked up every color they had because if you don't grab it when you see it, it's gone. You're gonna want to pick you up some of these stickers. If you have a Cricut and you want to make a Cricut label instead or whatever, go for it. But some people don't have a Cricut, or some people have a Cricut and don't want to use it because they scared of the Cricut. Trust me, I was one of those people until I fell in love with my Cricut. Get you some of these letters. A lot of letters come in here. You can make a couple of these if you want to make some for your, you know, your sister, your cousins, so they could get a break from the kids when they're acting up. But they have all kind of labels. You could use these. They have a lot, not labels, sticker letters. Ugh. And then I found this, and I picked it up because it said, it's a ribbon that you could put around, and it says, the elves made me do it. And I thought that was cute. So we're going to make that one like that. I'm not really too crazy about the handwriting. And you could take these letters and do, you know, the property of the North Pole. You could do that. I was just testing this out before I came on here to show you guys how to do it. So basically, I mean, there's nothing to it. You're just going to glue and tape, and that's it. It's very, really simple. So you can make your own Santa can. Bro, what is up with this? Like, where is the... This is something I should have did. Opened up off camera. Like this stuff you're just trying to make a fool out of you. It's just a tiny piece of plastic paper. Acting crazy. There you go. So I think I'm going to put some of this around here. Talk about the elves made me do it. It's so cute. Let's see. I'll cut a piece off. My scissor. Let's cut a little extra piece off from right there. See, it says The elves made me do it. Huh? They could blame it on the elves. So what you're going to do, make sure you get the front and try to center it as best you can. There's a seam right here. The elves made me do it. We're going to glue that real quick right there. Just put a dot of hot glue. You don't need. You just want it to hold down for a minute. Or you could use regular. Yeah, I think you're better off using regular. That hot glue don't look pretty. Yuck. I don't like it. Let's take that off. No. We're going to use regular glue. Like tacky glue or something. Just don't put a lot so it won't move around too much. Got me some tacky glue right here. And let's just put the glue down first. Just put a thin layer of glue. You don't need a lot of glue to get started. Use your finger to get it down. Listen, if you craft and you don't get dirty, you ain't really crafting. Alright, so the elves made me do it. I want that to be in the middle of the, well, I want it to be right in the middle of, see this is, hold on, let me, that didn't work. Okay. Why we do this? Because this is getting on my nerves. I want it to be centered. I want the part that says, the elves made me do it to be right in the middle. Right? We got it. Now you can move it up, even it out. Get that glue down and glue the rest. You can find this glue at Dollar Tree. It's tacky glue. It comes in the clear or in the brown bottle. It's the same stuff. Okay, let's get that. Right? It's gonna look grayish until the glue dries. You know, that's just part of it. Oh Lord, what in the world? Right? Sometimes easy stuff is a pain. It's supposed to be so easy and it's giving me a hard time. So we're gonna put some glue on this side now. This thing right here is getting on my nerves. How about I'm gonna cut this part right here. See, that's what happens when you act up. You get cut off. In real life too. All right, boom. See that? The elves made me do it. The elves made me do it. And then we're gonna use our stickers and put Santa Cam on there. Put this to the side, that to the side. We don't need this anymore. This can go away. Right? I don't even need this glue gun. Let me turn it that way before I burn myself. So you're going to get your stickers. I already used some on that one over there. I'm telling you, this pack comes with a lot of stickers. Look, it comes with 2 packs. I already used some from this pack. And then it comes with some on another. It comes with 2 sheets, 2 packs. So you want to center your letters. You know? So what? N is the middle letter. Let's put the N right in the middle. Gotta be careful with the letters. Make sure you don't rip them, because you know there's a possibility that could happen. Okay, there goes the N. So I'm gonna put my N like right in the middle of this camera. Well, I'm gonna try my best. Ugh, it's sticking to my finger. Okay, there you go. Right, there go the N. And then we're gonna put the TA and then the SA. So Let's go with the T. Let's get the T. Right. And you kind of, well, I don't know, you can make it go straight, or you can make it go a little over, you know, like a little on a curve. That is all up to you, okay? Seeing, there goes that part. And now we're gonna go on the other side. I need to get some A's from over here. Don't you hate when you buy a pack of letters and it don't have enough letters so you can do what you gotta do? Right, then you get that S. See, we got the Santa on there. Santa. And then you want to put the cam under that red light. Under the light. Because I did it before. When I did this one first, I kind of put the cam up too high. So this is like perfect right there. So now we got to center that too. So we got to put the A where the N is. You see this? We're going to line it up. The A is going to go there. So it could be in the middle. So here you go. See that? Get your C. And then your M and y'all. That's it. It's over. And I've seen these fake security cameras in the last couple of days that I've been to the Dollar Tree. So they're out there. You just got to be quick. When you see it, just grab it. And there's always some kind of letter or something where they have all the where they do the where they have like the stencils and stuff, and scrapbook paper, little graphics and stuff, clip art and stuff. All right, this M didn't want to come off. It looked a little crazy. And look, that's not even centered, but y'all know what I'm trying to do. I could have moved it over a little bit. You could move it over. Listen, y'all know what I'm talking about, right? This one looks so cute. I like this one. Hold on, because the glue, one thing about glue is that it moves around until it's dry. You know, you gotta be careful with it. But guys, y'all need to get y'all some of these fake. I'm gonna put the light on this one. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's put the light back on so y'all can see. See the fake Santa cam? You can do it. All from Dollar Tree, 100%. Make you a Santa cam for the grandkids, your kids, your daughter's kids, your cousin's kids. That'll set them on the right track. And it might give you a little bit of free time, give you some peace. Be like, listen here, y'all. Santa watching. Y'all better be acting right. Anyway, guys, until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay crafting. And God bless you guys. Bye.